we're showing you this KFC Super Shop. And I am so hungry looking at this. There are French fries. Red color French fries. There are chicken wings, red color. Yellow color chicken leg. A sub sandwich. A burger. A cash counter. 2 glasses. One of them is Coke. Another is Pepsi. One in this Pepsi bucket they keep these chickens, and there is one cash counter, and in this cash counter there is some ice cream. This is not filtered, they get ice from here. So there, and this is the menu. So now we will unbox this.
Hi friends, how are you friends? I hope you are also all well. Yes, we are also well friends. And I'm a bit hungry. Oh, okay then. Shafil, we can go in one place. Where? I expect this question from you. Where? Yes, it's KFC. What is KFC? You don't know that? No. Wow, it's a fast food item shop. Fast food item shop, you know. Oh, is it very famous? Yes, it's very, very famous in many countries of the world. Ooh. And it's also famous in Dhaka. You forget, in India, New Market, you enjoy KFC? Oh, I remember now. Okay, so now, friends, I want to take my brother Shafil to the KFC shop. Super shop! Yes! Here it is. Look. Oh! Wow! Look, there is some sandwich, burger, red French fries. So Shafil, what would you like to take now? I would like the red French fries. I have never taken red French fries. Oh, but you like chicken. Yes, I will take all of them. Okay, then we should order it first and then it will come. Friends, today we will unbox this toy package. I want to order to the cashier. Look, this is the cashier. Hello. Hey. Now I want all of them. Yeah. Okay, friend, you know this toy set is only 150 taka. 150 taka. You get this KFC Super Shop. Look, KFC Super Shop. Now we are going to unbox this Super Shop. Yay! Let's open it, friend. Yes! No, wait, Shafil, wait. They will open this toy, and after that we will enjoy, okay? Friends, we will come again after some time, so please wait for us, okay?
So friends, now Shafil is going to unbox this KFC Super Shop, and I'm really hungry. Hey, open it gently or it will break, okay Shafil? Oh, very heavy. Not heavy, it's very hard. Okay, let's help you. Okay, finally. Now let's get this out. What? Look cool. It looks cool? Yeah. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Look, there is a cash, and this is the cashier. Hello. There are some ice creams, but they look like lollipops. And look, there is a KFC bucket where we can keep these chickens. Look, there is a plastic to attach this so that when the time is carried, it doesn't fall. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Yeah. Okay.
Put that in the bucket.
Okay. Can you get it out for me, Shafil?
Yes.
Look.
Look that.
Good. Now let's do the French fries and that. Whip. And this is the
Hello, my
French
name
fries.
is Mr. Z.
This is rings.
Okay.
So healthy. And here is the French fries. Woo! There is also a Coke and a Pepsi. Look at the Coke. I like Coke. I like Pepsi. Now let's keep it here. And let's append the menu now. Let's see.
I want the red burger.
Woo! Look, it's a tray. It's not a menu. Sorry. We keep things here like this. Now I understand. Oopsie. Ha ha ha! Look, this is a tray. This is a package. Pepsi, Coke, French fries, and chicken. Oh, now let's add the sandwich and the burger. Look, they're there. In the one side it is red, and in the other side it is yellow. Here too. In one,
Look, it's a red and
it looks like a button, not like a burger. And this is a sub sandwich. It also looks like a button. This side it is yellow, and this side it is red. And we also have a cash where we count the cash.
So you're doing like a car's horn. Beep beep.
Yes. It can walk. Look, the cash can walk. There is also glass to keep here.
It looks like
I can go to the KFC shop. It's a yummy food. Wow. Excuse me, Mr. Shopkeeper.
What do you want?
I want one Coke, one sub sandwich, and one French fry, please. And also one cup of water. Okay. Can I give you the water first?
Okay.
There you have your water. Thank you. So yummy. Now, can I have my Coke now?
Cool.
Okay.
There's your delicious Coke.
I cannot have it.
Ugh.
Where is it? Can you give me from here? I have my finger here. Down here. Yum, yum, yum.
Then?
Coke. Now, can I have my sub sandwich now?
Sand.
Okay. Yum, yum, yum. First I will show you. Because I'm so thirsty.
It's
French fries.
it's one
Yummy. Now the Coke. I'll cut. Yummy. What is the bill, Shafil?
35.
35,000, 3,500, or just 35?
That's 35.
Wow, it's a very good drink. It's really cheap. Let me get my purse. Here you go.
Give me 4 here.
Oh, okay.
Not here.
Thank you. The new one's really yummy. Bye.
No, I give you my money to you.
Thank you.
It's 100.
Thank you. Bye.
No, 1,000.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Friends, look, we unboxed. Yes, and Shafil feel hungry, so we can provide him some food. Okay.
Yes. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
Can I eat this?
Okay, you know what is the price of this bucket?
Yes.
It's 35 taka. Okay, so you can take with 35 taka.
Okay,
And friends,
the money. Take it.
okay, friends, this total toy set is only 150 taka. You can buy and you can play and you can enjoy with your family. And friends, let's Shafil drink and Shafil eat because he is very much hungry. Wow, he finished his food like crazily. Look how crazy he is. Shafil, are you crazy to eat?
Yes, I'm so full now. Ha ha ha.
I think you enjoy also with KFC.
Yes, this is my shop. KFC.
This is KFC Super Shop. Okay, friends, if you feel hungry, then please come KFC Super Shop for your for beating your hunger.
But if you're lazy, then you can just call on the KFC number. You can search it on Google and find it. Ha ha ha.
Okay, so Shafil, let's take a goodbye.
Yes, so friends, thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share
and hit the bell
bell icon.
So
So you guys, you are the first one to watch.
uploaded videos.
Yes.
Thanks guys. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Let's go.
Shafil is a naughty
Hurrah, 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 ra, ra, ra. Hurrah.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell icon so you guys are the first one to watch our newly posted videos like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, and relatives, and subscribe to our other channels as easy and English learn with us. In that channel, you can also learn Bangla, English, Arabic, and many other subjects. And another channel which is Sanika and Shafil's World. In that channel, you can see many traveling videos, many cooking videos, many events videos, and many other vlogs. So friends, thanks. Bye.
Bye.